I'm Donny Osmond. You can come out now, Marie. And this is my kid sister.
That was a great way to start a show. They introduced both of us, and you come out with a dummy.
Well, I only did it to protect you.
Sure.
Well, that was a very dangerous skating trick, I'll have you know.
I understand.
Even the way I did it was difficult.
Sure.
Well, look, man, it's not easy working with a dummy. Anyway, tonight, we're making television history.
Right, we're the first brother and sister and dummy to host a series.
Marie, now come on, will you forget about the dummy? It's over, all right?
Yeah, but I rehearsed that trick with you all week.
Okay. All right, you want millions of people to know the truth about the trick? I'm gonna tell everyone the truth.
What?
Marie tried to do the trick, okay? But the problem was she couldn't get up on my shoulders. Now, that's the truth.
I couldn't get up on your shoulders?
Yeah.
Look at this. I mean, who could fit?
Look, man, the problem was not the size of my shoulder.
Oh, cute, Dee. Real
All
cute.
right, okay, I'm sorry. I apologize. We may not have come out together, but we'll always be together.
Because you can't divorce your brother. You better get your act together.